Good morning, friends. We are currently, I say good morning because we're on the way to Nashville. Sorry, the camera's super shaky, but we're driving right now. And my camera's about to die, so I will probably film more whenever we get there. But we're here with the fam. Say hi. I don't have to drive this time around and I'm so happy about it. But yeah, we're gonna go to Nashville, see my sister's new house, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so yay. Alright, see you guys later. So it's actually the second day here in Nashville. We've been super busy. Sorry I didn't film the first day when we got here. We were super tired. We had gotten to the house. Oh yeah. So the reason why we're here in Nashville this weekend is because my sister and her husband just bought a house and it's super cute. I'm in the bathroom right now. I'm talking quietly because they're downstairs and I always feel awkward filming myself in front of them. So, but yeah, we just had lunch. Yes, last night we went to this fun place for dinner called Village Pub and Garden here in East Nashville. It was awesome. The food was great. I'll link you guys to my Instagram account where you can see my little review about that. We just had lunch at the Mitchell, oh no, I gotta remember what the name of that restaurant is. We ordered sandwiches. It's a local little restaurant in East Nashville around the corner from their house. It was super good. I'm so full from it though. But today's plan is just to chill out. My camera's about to die. I'm gonna charge that. We're gonna hang out at the house today. Sorry, it's gonna be kind of a boring vlog, but I'll put some clips of my trip that I took on my cell phone to in this as well. But yeah, so I'm going to charge my battery and then I will see you guys in just a second. So here we go. Hi. Okay, a nap and several hours later. Yeah, it's day 2, like I said. I not mean to fall asleep, but it's been a really exhausting trip. Really lazy. We just went to Home Depot and stuff, and now we're just chilling at my sister's new house with the fam. About to make some dinner, and yeah, it's just gonna be a chill night tonight. Me. You're so cute.
Huh?
He's so cute.
Here.
Say hey, family.
Got it. Thanks.
This is my sister, Megan.
Hi. I look bad.
It's okay, we all look bad. It's my dad.
Hey.
And my mom. And here. And look how cute these doggies are. Little chef.
That's me.
He looks so good. I love the sizzling sound. So the sizzle is everything. That looks so yummy. I'm gonna steal one.
Sure.
Looks good. I look bald. It looks pretty on the camera. Quality. More and more.
Secret is Old Bay.
When in doubt, add Old Bay.
So true.
That's like the secret spice of everything.
Put a baby in a blanket.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
That word,
I
yeah.
wish this would.
Yeah, that was pretty view. That was nice. I didn't expect that coming over the hill.
I wish it would
Wait till
show
we
it
go
better
to the
on the
bridge.
camera.
Alright, I'm gonna pull up the course.
Don't worry, we're gonna have a really cool view going over the bridge.
Do you hear me?
Flip the course.
I'll pull up the course for the race and we'll just drive the course so I know what it looks like. I'm serious, we do that. We did
Yeah.
that because we didn't know what the course was going to be in Charleston the first time we did it.
Right.
And so we took the car and drove it.
This is a really pretty view though. Oh my gosh.
So what road is this? Where else?
So we're on Shelby and it turns into Korean Veterans Boulevard.
I might be coming in this way. I don't know. Well,
Hey guys. Okay, so it's our last day in Nashville. I am currently in the car riding with my mom and my sister, and we're gonna go to Target and kind of have a fun little girls' day. Maybe I'll show you around a little bit better than I did this whole rest of the weekend. But look at this view, you guys. We're at, I don't know if it'll show up as well,
Where's the what? Right there.
but we're right by Nissan Stadium. And there's the city. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this place.
You'll see how far it is from there to the office.
This view from this bridge is like my favorite thing ever. So pretty. Love it.
Yeah. I love the one where he's like, "Try me, bitch." Have you seen that one? It's so
I love
funny.
that guy.
He like throws something at him.
Yeah. Target time.
Target.
Love these. Gonna be in here for hours, but I don't even care. That one's pretty. I love how you always come in here for wanting like only one thing. And then you walk away with like oh, I love that area. So pretty. Cloudy day. Hey friends, so it is Monday at like 5 something ish. I meant to close the vlog from Nashville. I'm sorry, I sucked at vlogging this week. I thought we would have been doing more than we actually did, but it was kind of just a chill, relaxed week with the family. So yeah, sorry if it was a little boring, but I hope you enjoyed what I did get of it. Sorry I look gross. I just got off of work. That's why I look like this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that first travel vlog of many. And I love you all so, so much. And I'm just gonna, sorry, I'm shaking. I'm just gonna close out the vlog here. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.